Let's follow our certified technician, Victoria, as she replaces a molded rubber valve cover gasket on a late model engine. Be sure you have the correct Victor Reinz gasket set for the application. After removing any wires, hoses, or other components that may block access to the valve cover, carefully remove the cover's fasteners. Lift off the valve cover, being careful not to damage any other components. Inspect the condition of the old gasket for any signs of unusual damage and remove it from the valve cover. Remove any other seals attached to the valve cover, such as spark plug tube seals. Clean all gasket sealing surfaces on the cover. Clean the gasket surface on the cylinder head. Double-check channels and sealing surfaces for any dirt or debris.